Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today I am going to teach EVS, the Environmental Science of Class 3. This is a continuation of lesson number 7. Lesson number 7 continuation. So we have already started lesson number 7, and this particular lesson, in this particular lesson we have discussed 3 subtopics, and the remaining 4 subtopics will be discussed today. So in the last class we have discussed about big and small animals. And we have discussed about very big animals, small animals, very small animals, yamna chawba, achawba, apikpa, yamna pikpa animals nainagre. Then we have also discussed about how animals move, movement of animals, how animals move. Crawl ki matangda, then jump, swim, fly. Then what animals eat? So depending upon their food habit, animals can be classified. So in the last class we have discussed that animals can be classified based on their food habit. Animals herbivores, carnivores, then omnivores, scavengers. Herbivores haragana mana masing chaba, carnivores haragana that eats flesh of other animals, then omnivores that eat both plants and animals, scavengers haragana sagi that eat dead and decaying animals chaba adumaina moi chaba machinja ki matungina animals sing si khaidokpa yaina ne nainagre. Asi topic si mama class ta nainagre makha se third point na. Today we will start with animal tails. Animal tails. For most animals have tails. Animals use their tails in many ways. Most animals have tails. Use their tails in many ways. So he uses them. Animals uses. When you look at your textbook, you will find 4 different types of uses along with the examples I mentioned in your textbook. Number 1, the for expressing their mood. And also for maintaining balance. For movement. Then Marisubada, which is the last, for defense. So under the topic animal tails, most animals have tails. Anamana sa singsi mamay loinam yawi. 4 types of uses are given in your textbook. Number 1 is for expressing their mood. Expressing their mood. The second is for maintaining a balance. Third one is for movement, and the fourth one is for defense. So we will start with for expressing their mood. First point along with the example. for expressing the mood. We'll start with for expressing their mood. So dogs wag their tails. So dog is given as an example in your textbook. Dog wag their tails when they are either happy when they are either happy or angry. Then a straight up tail in a cat tells you that it is angry. Cat is also taken as an example. Cat ki matang dadi straight up something like that. Straight up tail in a cat. Straight up tail like the one okay tadi my expression is angry in hand. So for expressing their mood, dog wag their tails when they are either happy or angry, and cat they straight up their tail and express and tells us that they are angry. Next is for maintaining balance. For maintaining balance. Two is for maintaining balance. A kangaroo is taken as an example. Kangaroo and squirrel is taken as an example. Kangaroo and squirrel is taken as an example in your textbook. Kangaroo and squirrel use their tail to maintain balance. Then the macaw bird's long tail balances the weight of its beak, otherwise it would fall when piercing. Macaw is also taken as an example. Balance of the mating pangi, the weight of its beak, magi machindu balance of the mamay na mating pangi, kaya mamay yarum dagati balance to mo the ma turok po biyay. Tarakani have mask. Next is for movement. Next is for movement. Monkeys use their tails to swing. Monkey is taken as an example for movement. Monkey use their tails to swing with the help of tail. They swing from one tree to another. And birds and fish they use their tails to steer their body in different direction. Mamay chumba mating pangi birds amadi fish nadana. Cows move their tails to drive flies and mosquitoes away. Cows, with the help of their tails, they move with the help of their tails or move their tails to drive flies and mosquitoes always. Haing gumba, kang gumba pasilagpada tanthokpada mamay na mating panging kauda. Next is for defense. For defense. A lizard is taken as an example in your textbook. Lizard detaches its tail from its body if a predator grabs it by the tail. Mamay the predator na top lang thing kumatanda detach to gini. Palang tatkit replacement tail usually grows back later konadi masigi detach togiba tail si amu grow tokani amu hogolakani Spider-Man si madaga yawidani see defense ki example amani. Next is page number 47. The second topic is taking care of domestic animals. 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 Domestic animals are domestic animals depend on us for food. They depend on us for food and shelter. And other basic needs also. It is important to take good care of them to keep them healthy and disease free. So taking care of domestic animals, they depend on us for food and shelter and other basic needs also, and it is our duty to take good care of them. So some points are given in your textbook regarding the regarding how to take care of domestic animals. Like the piece in your textbook, the first point given is in how to take care of domestic animals. Their shelters need to be cleaned regularly. Their shelters clean. It is our duty to clean regularly their shelters. Number 2, they need to be fed with clean and nutritious food every day. Clean and nutritious food. Clean and nutritious. Nutritious is the growth lakpada healthy oina lainabada mateng pangba madugumba chinjak tu akoina pijagadabani clean haidi ananba lukhak gumba amot pugum pijabana tab clean and nutritious food pijabata. They need to be provided with clean and fresh water. Ising thakpa matabda moigi thaknaba ising du koi amot pa bukhi dagi soga piba dugumba nataba clean and fresh water. Clean and fresh water. And then the last one is cattle need to be bathed regularly. Cattle ki watang nate animals anam bana domestic animals anam bana regularly bath togedam naraktanam. So the first point is shelters should be clean regularly, and we need to give clean and nutritious food, and clean and fresh water should be provided. Regarding not only cattle, domestic animals, but cattle, particularly cattle is mentioned in your textbook, need to be bathed regularly. Third topic is taking care of pet animals. Taking care of pet animals. Taking care of pet animals. Pet animals na akoi gina nuksibagi loibaduni. Moidi akoi na kanaba phangbe phangdabasu yai. Nuksibagi loibaduni pet animals. So some examples are given in your textbook. Vijay, a boy named Vijay, a girl named Rani, and also a boy named Gautam is taken in your textbook as an example. Vijay, along with the picture. Vijay has a dog at home. Peta has a dog. Mamina, he calls it Nodi. And Mamina Nodi koi. Yumda loiba hui maming thon madani Tommy bu haibu, Jackie bu haibu, mana Noddy kawi. He takes Noddy out for a walk every day. Pet animals di yamna lunu to bigadam ni walk pu bhi nutigi. And keeps it clean and fits it on time. Clean. Yulu topidana yamnana thami. Feed on time matam jana pijai. Noddy loves to eat bones. Dog obinamara mudana bones sabi amna pami. It guards the house at night. Mana mating pamusi nundangda. Ako yum si mana guard to bi. Wani mayam tummalay yung madamda. Chasan changba mi atopa chang matang makhong kani. So the Vijay is given in as an example in your textbook, and he has a dog called Noddy, and how he take care of his dog is explained in your textbook. Next is Rani. Next is Rani. Rani has a parrot. Parrot. I mean. Mittu Govi. Mittu mimics Rani's voice. Mimic to mima. Kama makagi mimic voice. Wangang mami tap. Wangang mami. Matok ta imitation ni. Parrotsi. Rani regularly cleans its cage by makon si yam di Singdopi and provides it water and food nunti chanaba pi ising pi. Mittu loves to eat green chilies. The parrot obinamara moidana magi pamjaba jak harigadi green chilies in moro atek pa harigada moro asangba green chilies, seeds pamima maru and fruits. Manipuri da ko tenawa haibani wanga mutokpa. Fruits. Gautam is also taken as an example, and he has a fish at his home. Bolama the Hapagathami. Gautam, he has a fish bowl. He has many fish in it. Gautam loves them. He regularly cleans the bowl. And fills it with fresh water. He also draws fish food into the bowl at regular intervals. Foods. Masida koina khangawgadabasi kaino haragadi koina pet animals yumda laita haragadi hai nushibagi loita haragadi maybe dog, parrot, and then a fish or be a rabbit or be a masida koina regularly clean the vivatai, fresh water pivivatai, matam chana clean food pivivatai, luna chana to pivivatai. Asi madam ni hai si. The last topic of today's lecture and also the last topic of this lesson, that is save animals. Save animals. Also interdependent ni akoy si aduna akoy na animals in sisu mahan danaba akoy na hona batay madugi matang dani. Since ages animals have been hunted for fun, Thai mama ngai digi dum nuai boina as a fun boina hunt to satan uch tanu service for their body parts will be body parts ki satan bo be fun gi be nuai bi be body parts ki be Thai digi hona satan uch na me. Even now, Hosisu, elephant. Elephants are hunted for their tusk. Then rhinoceros. Hunt away for their horns. Then tiger is hunted. Tiger for their skin. Then mink for their fur. Mink is squirrel have man mink so hunt tawi for fur. Howzik hunt is elephant si hunt tawi tusky maya ango bani asang yawduni. Rhinoceros horns ki damakta masi machi dugi damakta masi phanai. Then tiger is hunted for skin. Mink is hunted for fur. Condition. Then the continuous killing of animals because of their task, because of their skin, fur, because of their horn. The continuous killing, killing the heart. Continuous killing is the continuous killing of animals and my body parts ki natraga fun gi nuaina ba natraga my body parts pambagi damakta akoina sa sin sum hatara ku matamda moi masing si sum handare reduced their numbers masing sum handare masing hadaramina and made them rare yam tang yam na laitre. This is a danger that some of them may completely disappear from the earth. Rare jidi sum laitre alana maram moyan tab na galarani completely disappear o yushe mang yushe completely disappear or use. Such animals are called endangered. So when completely disappear maybe completely disappear. Howzikti layriba adubu asai masingsi yamaktaba maram moitena lakadaba matam kharadadi soidana mangkhrani hai mangba yabagi madugumba condition da laiba animals in shubu koina endangered animals ko endangered animals haragadi mangre habinate masingsi yamaktre noma aduga condition si koina moibu yokhatragadi save tawdragadi la liba chai khara sida sunjoi soidana mangrani haiba masingumba animals si koina endangered animals going. They need to be protected, otherwise they will die out completely and become extinct. When endangered animals sing si matang chana when steps lakhal hudragadi sunso soidana mangrani mangraba animals sing sina when extinct animals like that. The example dinosaurs so a change in their environment and natural habitat can also make the animals endangered or extinct. Human activity human activity is also one of the factor for the depletion for making the animals endangered or extinct. Human activities a change in their environment. So indirectly the human activity oiduini jungle kathatpa samak haludagasu mogi laifam do thugairuba khoni habitat do environment and natural habitat can also make the animals endangered or extinct. So not only human activities but also a change in their environment and natural habitat can also make the animals endangered or extinct. Dinosaurs ki extinct or see due to the climatic changes that occurred on the earth millions of years ago. Climatic change lakpadagi ne dinosaur extinct or residu. Other human activity tanatana animals sing imagi life from natural habitat the imagi environment ahong bala agadi moisi survive to ngam. The tiger is India's national animal, but it is an endangered animal. It may become extinct if not protected in time. Tiger si husi ki oina as an endangered animal ni aduna koi precaution lahodragadi la matam khada di mangani. But the sarkar ki maikidagi to save tigers, our government started Project Tiger. Killing of wild animal is banned by our government. The killing of animals is banned. Killing of animals is banned. Pani. Our government has also developed many special wildlife parks, sanctuaries. So, Sakari Maikidigi National Park, Mayamuma Lere. Then sanctuaries, Mayamuma Lere. That provide natural and a safe environment to the animals. National Park sanctuaries mayamama leire sarkar ki maikidagi masid animals singduda natural and safe environment pi must survive to. So few examples are taken in your textbook, page number 48. Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand, protected animal tiger protect tonabani. Then Kaziranga National Park, Assam, rhinoceros protect tonabani. Then Gir Forest National Park, Gujarat, lion protect tonabani. Then Kiola Geo National Park, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Rajasthan, migratory birds protect tonabani. So this I'll summarize what we have learned today. Most animal phenomena have tails. Most animals have tails, and they use these tails for many purpose. Many have a purpose like expressing their mood in a way, then maintaining balance, then movement and defense. Then we have also discussed that we should save the animals. Some of them are endangered. For fun, maybe for fun or for their body parts, we should try to save them or save the animals. Some of them are endangered. Moji hauzik masing yamaktre aduna khara leiragadi mangrani aduna khoina masi section batai. And from government also has taken various measures or steps to save animals. So the last one is evaluation. So evaluation is which will help you to check whether you understand the topic or not. So for evaluation, I'm giving some questions. Try to find out the answers of these questions. Question number 1 is, what is the use of tails for animals? Then question number 2, what is Project Tiger? What is Project Tiger? So question number 1 is, what is the use of tails for animals? Question number 2 is what is project diagram? So try to find the answers of these questions, and which will this evaluation part will help you to check whether you have understand the topic or not. So with this, I'm signing out. Thank you.